ito at karapat dapat bigyan ng importansya. Para siyang bagyo, signal number 5 sa sobrang lakas ng dating niya. Siyempre, sino pa kundi si Dr. Eden P. Malabad, ang Public Schools District Supervisor lang naman ng Aparis District. Isang dakilang ina at mahusay na leader, passionista din. Patunay ang kanyang signature na scarf at shawl. Sangka pa. Straight to the point kung siya'y magsalita. Lumalaban siya basta't nasa katwiran. Mekos-mekos ang kanyang paniniwala, pero siya po ay devoted Iglesia ni Cristo. Ikaw, anong masasabi mo tungkol kay Ma'am Eden?
Happy birthday, Tita Den. May you be showered with more blessings. God bless you even more.
Happy birthday to you.
Having a cousin like you is such a great blessing. Thank you for being a good listener and a confidant. The best kainsan. God bless you more. Happy birthday sa pinsan ko na kasintangos ko ng ilong.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Eden, from AX with love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Eden Malabag. Take care. We love you every day, every night.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Eden Kafita. Pare na kon ako, taita na ka, mafifia nga gawa-gawayan, tagagagaw, tafeno kunuri, aruga pa imo kuna mo kagitan galaman, nga ministra. Yo laman na ko im kagitan ikaw, Kafita. Happy birthday and God bless you always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello po, Ma'am Eden. Happy birthday po. Sagutan ka man, Ma'am, ti may nga sarindanyo kanda ito'y panagkasangay mo. Ma'am Eden, pasangbayam man to'y numo nga agkurno, dita nadayag, nadayaw nga imatang mo. To'y kablao ko, Ma'am, iabrasak nagasat nga panagkasangay mo. Sa lukuban nakakumatiragsak, kapyaken sa lunat, iti Diyos Apo. Aldaw nga nagasat, dawat ko ken kamam ko, ken daytoy panakagteng, aldaw nga panakayanak mo. Naunday nga panawen, at adupay nga panagkasangay, maikagay panagbiag mo. Kastamet ti salunat, awan sarday nga bendisyon, ken grasya ti Diyos Apo. From my family to yours, Ma'am ko, happy birthday po, Ma'am. Enjoy your special moment, and I would like to say, I miss you, Ma'am. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Eden. God bless.
Happy birthday, crazy woman. Sounds arrogant, but I just did what you always tell us. To be remembered by many, you should always do the usual things in an unusual way. I just did. Crazy for me, letter C means confident, competent, charming, creative. R stands for resilient, remarkable, rhapsodic. A stands for amiable, affable, amazing. Letter Z stands for zestful, zealous, and letter Y, youthful, crazy. Again, happy birthday, Ma'am Eden Malabag.
Happiest birthday, Ma'am Eden. Thank you so much. Kadagiti adong sakripisyong effort mo kada kami nang nangarorangan niya, kiti pamilya. Thank you so much. Nagdakalan ka nga blessing na impaay ni Lord. Tapno, dagiti arapap ko, dagiti dati nga wish ko kat napagteng ko. Thank you so much. Hanak nga makasubsubad, iti kinasayaat mo. Kat kasamit nga amamlatan, no, chat na kinyam, no, ibagak nga makasangsangitin nak, amamlataman ng dagiti dagansan iti barukong ko. May saka nga inang, gayom, kung nagsaya at akabsata. Thank you so much. God bless you. Sana umatidog pa iti biyag mo, tapno makadwada ka pa iti napaon. So, God bless. Thank you so much and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Ma'am Eden.
Ma'am Eden!
Lola Ma'am.
Lola Ma'am!
Love you.
Love you!
Applying kiss mo ka na dala. Ay, Susan.
To a very alluring, beauteous, intelligent, and active schools district supervisor, Ma'am Eden Malabag, I really appreciate you a lot. This song is for you.
Mailiw kang tingkang, kaano man ngatan intay pagkakadwan. Nakadadupay nga lugan, tihantay nga napanan, ayaban nga sirpirsota intayon. Eden ma'am, nuadaman papanam, si kaniti ayaban, intay ag silaban o kalay ilang. Eden ma'am, nuadaman papan, sirok kawayanan, o banbantay imama. Eden ma'am. Love you ma'am. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your natal day ma'am. Beautiful and young. Bless you.
Every day and every night, I never thought your love could feel so right. Sinong relate dyan sa kanta ng Air Supply? Yan. Happy birthday, Ma'am Eden. Every day, every night. God bless you always, Ma'am. Malapit ka na po sa finish line ng iyong career. And retirement is waving. God bless you always, Ma'am. Sana marami ka pa rin darating na blessings. At para sa ganun ay marami ka pang matulungan. At ma-share mo pa yung iyong mga blessings. Itong taong to napaka-generous. Mabait. Pero strict. Nasa tama lang. Sakto lang. Yan. Happy birthday, Ma'am Eden. God bless you always.